Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to export data from Airtable to Excel in 2024. Exporting data to Excel allows you to work with your data offline or use it in advanced data analysis tools. So in this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step through the process of exporting your Airtable data in a format that Excel can easily understand. So make sure to stick by and let's get started.
Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience.
First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. Once you open your browser, just go to this URL section and all you need to do, just type airtable.com and hit the enter button. This should take you in here, but if it's your first time, of course, you will be taken to this page. Just wait for it until it loads, as you can see in here. Here, you can click on sign in at the top right corner to sign in into your account if you have an account. But if you don't have an account, click on sign up instead to create an account. As you can see, or create an account in here. And as you can see, you can use a Google account if you don't want to get through all the boring steps of creating or even logging into your account. You can even use the Apple ID. You can also continue with this single one sign in or sign on. What does that mean? You'll just use it once and you will not, or nothing will be saved as an example if you come back again. So you just need, as an example, to do some files. You don't have Excel maybe in your PC or something like that. You can just go and type whatever you want, do it right now, and yeah, no account, nothing. You just use it once and go. So basically, once you're logged in into your account, you'll find yourself here. So in here, of course, if you want to import some informations or some data, you'll be able to do it through this bottom left corner. Just go and click on import right there. And as you can see, you can import through any workspace you want. Click on continue. And then as you can see, you can export a CSV file, Microsoft Excel file, Google Sheets file, and or other resources in here. If you didn't find any resources, as you can see, you can request a source from here. So they will respond to you if they see it's suitable, and they will give you the option to export or to import any data if you want from that source. So other than that, as we said, we would like to export data from Airtable to a CSV file, of course, basically, or also XLSX, I guess it works with Excel. So one of those will be happy to be opened, of course, in Excel. So we'll need to export my data here in Airtable into one of those forms. So as an example, for me, I'll just go here to my workspace and I'll just go and create something. Of course, you can build an app with AI. As an example, CoBuilder quickly turns your process into a custom app with data and interfaces, or you can just build your ideal workflow starting from a blank table. It's up to you. As an example, you can use this AI tool, just explain to it whatever you want. For me, I'll just go and start from scratch. I'll do something simple here as example. As you said, or as you said before, you can import also your work if you want from here. So what you'll need to do, just fill up whatever you want here, your data. Of course, that's if you don't have a data yet. For me, as an example, I'll just go here and add some data. I'll just go here and add some data. So I'll assign myself into all of that because I'm only person in here. And yeah, so here to do, maybe this is in progress, this is in progress, and this is done. So example, I want to now go to this data and all I need to do is simply export it from here to Excel file or to Excel. So let's see, first of all, if I have Excel on my computer. Yeah, I do have it. So what I'll need to do now, simply go to this grid view right here, go and click on it. Once you click on it, you'll find this. So all you need to do, you either have two options. If you want to, of course, click on this print view, choose the settings that you want from paper size, layout, field sizing, font size. If you want to add view names as title, includes row numbers, wrap long text into multiple lines if you want to, then click on print. And of course, you will be able to export it or print it as a paper or save it as PDF or even see more, of course, if you want to have it in OneNote or Microsoft Print to PDF, it's up to you. You can also include headers and footers, background graphic if you want to, or if you don't, it's up to you. Then click on save, of course, if it will save it as PDF, or if you want to print it. If you don't want any of those, as an example, you can, as we saw before in here, download as a CSV file. A CSV file is accepted on Excel, so it's up to you to choose that. So just go and click on it. And as you can see, you'll have to give it a name. Give it a name it's gonna be .csv. So example, I'll just let it as it is, table one grid view CSV, and click on save. It's saved. Now all I need to do, just go and open my Excel. So just go and open my Excel. As you can see, it's opened. So all I need to do now is just go. No, okay, done. It's fine. Just go and click on open here. Once you click on open, of course, I'll choose from this PC. And once I do so now, I'll just go and look for the folder as example, or I can just go and click on browse. And in here, what I'll need to do is simply go to downloads. So all Excel files, CSV file, I'll just do all files in here. So CSV file is included, of course. You can also just look for it in here. So normally this should include this, but it seems like there's Excel, XLSX, and etc. A lot of things in here, but there's no CSV file. So just go to all files, and I'll just open this and see. So text imported. Yeah, I'll just go and click on next, 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 and finish. And as you can see, it's imported, but does not look good. It does not look like that good. So what you can do is simply you can just go here, open new tab, just type convert like CSV into XL or something like that, or just type Excel file, hit the enter button, go to the first converter as an example. All you need to do from here, just choose your file. And okay, so they tell you here, of course, there's an article on how to do that if you want to go and check it out. For me, as example, now I'm not going to do that. Why? So I'll just go, yeah, online and free. That's good. So choose the file and I'll go to download. This is going to be my CSV file. Converts as example. And once it's converted, I'll just download it and I should be good to go without any problems. So yeah, here's it, download. Yeah, save. And I'll just go back in here, file, open now, browse, and here's it. Click on it. And as you can see, at least it's looking better. Yeah, it's much better right now, right? So yeah, that's how you basically do it. That's going to be it for me today, basically. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.